Hi guys, today we have a small practice to strengthen the middle back. So wear something comfortable and hop onto your mat. Namaste, welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So let's begin your practice. Keep the eyes closed, palms gently placed on the thighs. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Become aware of all the sounds in the surroundings, the music of the birds. Whatever sounds are there around you, just become aware. You are at ease with the environment right this moment. Bring your awareness to your body. Take a breath in and breathe out. Join the palms together in front of your heart. We'll chant Om. Breathe in. Om. Just relax completely. Take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and exhale. Now slowly become aware of your body and surroundings. Relax the palms, and whenever you feel complete, you may gently open your eyes. Now slowly place your left hand on the right thigh. Take the right hand behind, twist and look back over your right shoulder. Come back to the center and twist and look back over your left shoulder. Just observe the twist on the stomach, on the middle back. Center onto the other side. Very gently, we'll keep twisting and looking over your shoulder. Other side. As you exhale, you twist. Inhale, come back. Exhale and twist. Last time, twist. Hold it there. See if you can twist a little bit more. Place the right palm on the floor very close to your body and see if you can twist more. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale onto your left. Now use the right hand and push yourself back. Twist a little back. Observe the twist on the stomach, on the middle back. Hold it there. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. And slowly come back to the center. Now take your hands up, catch the right wrist, stretch both the hands up and then gently bend towards the left side. Keep pulling your right hand up. Observe the stretch on the right side of the body from the hips till the tip of the right fingers. Stay there, keep breathing. Keep pulling your right hand with the help of the left hand. Hold, breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Don't forget to smile. Breathe in and breathe out and come back. Now catch the left wrist and bend towards the right side. Keep the hips on the floor. Hold it there. Breathe in, breathe out, in and out. Keep stretching, breathe in, breathe out, in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back to the center and relax. Just roll your shoulders up, back and down. Let's do few shoulder rolls. And opposite direction. Relax. And come back. And now slowly come onto your knees. Just sit on your heels. Stretch the hands forward and rest in the child pose. If you're not able to place the head down, it's okay, just leave it over here. Make sure your hips are on the heels. Keep stretching your hands forward. And now slowly lift your hips up. Walk your hands forward. And then see if you can get the chest closer to the mat. If possible, place the head on the floor. Walk a little bit more. Place the chest on the floor. Hold it there. Keep breathing. And observe the middle back. Just observe the release of all the muscles, the tight muscles on the middle back. The puppy pose is very good to stretch out all the muscles of the middle back. So if you feel like, you can also wag the tail of the dog. Hold it there. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. And slowly come back and sit on your heels. Come back into the child's pose. And raise up and come into the cat pose. The palms are directly under your shoulders. Knees are under your hips. As you breathe in, arch your back, look up. And as you breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Breathe in, arch your back, look up. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. In. And out. Come back to the center, and now we'll gently just push the middle back and the shoulders up and down. The head and the other parts remain the same. Just push the middle back and the shoulders up and down. Up and down. You can look forward, up and down. Just push the shoulders and the middle back up and down, up and down, up, down, up. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1 and down. And slowly come back and sit on your heels and rest in the child's pose. Now slowly lift up your head and raise your right hand up and place the head on the left bicep. Stretch, look up towards your right hand. Hold it there and come back. Now lift up your left hand, place the head on the right bicep. Look up towards the left hand with a smile. Hold it there, feel the twist. Stay, keep breathing. And come back. And lift up your hips. Come into the tabletop. Take the right hand from below the left hand and the left knee and place it on the floor. Extend the left hand out and hold it there. You can look below the left shoulder. Just hold it there. Keep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in breathe out, in and out. And slowly come back. Now take the left hand from below the right shoulder, stretch it out, extend the right hand and look from below the right armpit. Look up, hold it there. Now here again, feel the twist on the back, especially the middle back. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. And slowly come back and lie down on your stomach. Place the hands beside your chest, feet together, and as you breathe in, slowly lift your chest up. Lift up a little bit more, look up as much as you can. Whatever is comfortable. If you feel a little more stretch on the middle back, just relax, come down and slowly go up again. Come down and raise up into the cobra. Once again, down and up. Down and up. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Keep looking up. Make sure your elbows are close to the body, shoulders are relaxed. Lift up as much as you can and hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Just relax yourself. Place the palms beside your face. And now as you breathe in, lift up. You can place the elbows on the floor, move the palms a little forward, look up into the Sphinx pose. Now as you look up, make sure the navel is touching the floor. Relax your hands, relax your head. Just relax in this posture. Hold it there. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Now take the elbows together and place the palms under your face. And lift up your legs and touch the hips if possible. It's like small kids keep watching the TV. Just stay there and enjoy. Keep moving the legs front and back. With a smile, just observe what is happening in the body, on the back. Hold it there. Keep moving your legs front and back. Relax yourself. Place the palms beside the thigh, chin on the floor. And as you breathe in, lift your right leg up, stretch it out. Hold it there. Hold. Keep stretching your right leg out as if someone is pulling you. Stretch a little bit more. And relax. Lift your left leg up and stretch it out. Stretch. It's important to stretch it out rather than lifting it high. Stretch, stretch, stretch and relax. Now make a fist with thumb inside. Place it under your thighs and lift both the legs up. Hold it there. Breathe in. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In and out. In, out, in and out. Relax. Relax your hands. Relax yourself. And slowly roll onto the right side. Lie down on your back. Place the hands beside your hips. Feet close to the body. And pressing the palms and the feet onto the floor, lift your hips up. Lift up a little bit more. Lift up. Hold it there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay there. And as you breathe out, slowly get your middle back down, the low back down, and finally the hips down. Place the hands at shoulder level on the floor and feet mat width apart. Now slowly drop your feet onto the right side, the knees onto the floor on the right side. Look towards your left hand. Come up. And on to the other side. Just keep moving your legs and head in the opposite direction. Just observe the relaxation on the back. And hold it there, drop it onto the right side, look towards the left, hold it there. Keep breathing. Come back to the center, onto the other side. Make sure your shoulders are on the floor. Just relax completely. And come back to the center, palms beside your thighs. Rest in Shavasana, adjust yourself on the mat. Palms beside your thighs. Take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and relax your legs. Relax your abdomen and the stomach region, chest region, right hand. Relax the low back, middle back, and the upper back. Relax your left hand. Relax your shoulders, neck, face. Relax the whole body completely. Breathe in and breathe out. And gently become aware of your body and surroundings. Move the fingers of your feet and hands. Turn on to the right side and gently sit up. Join the palms in front of your heart. We'll chant Om. Breathe in. Now gently looking at your palms, you may open the eyes. Thank you for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.